Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I'll show you how you can customize this option with the side key. So when you double press the power key, you are able to open one of these applications. In this way we can open the camera. So if you want to change it, you have to go for the settings, find advanced features, move to the side key, and then tap, for example, to open up, and let's go for the Gmail. So just take a look. When you double press the power key, we can open Gmail really fast. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.